Hello everyone, I'm Taliya Meyswara and I'll be your guide in this video that I will talk about Farcel, which is actually a tech company that I personally find it really cool because it's provide a digital service like modern and simple web deployment. So what is Farcel? Vercel is front-end cloud that gives you the frameworks, workflow, and infrastructure to build a fast and personalized website. With Vercel, you can deploy your website easily. So it's basically that you can having a live website with no effort because Vercel provides automatic build and deployment. And then the framework support and capability of Vercel itself is support over 35 different framework like this is Next.js that is created by Vercel 2 and then Svelte. This is Next then this is Astro. If you using Next.js it will fit perfectly because it's created by Vercel. Then uh who can use this Vercel? As I said before, it will fit perfectly with front-end developer who use Next.js. But it will fit too with everyone who wants to simply deploy their website. Yes. But they are a big company too that is using Vercel for production, like Meta, Netflix, and OpenAI or ChatGPT that is really popular. The next is the question is where does Vercel run then? Okay, where does Vercel run? So Vercel uses a global edge network, or we call it is CDN, and then in there, as you can see, Vercel Global Edge Network has 119 globally distributed point of presence. That's mean your application gets deployed to data center around the world, so it always can be fast. So it's fast performance, okay? The next is when to use Vercel or when it's the best choice to use Vercel. The first one is when you need to instant preview for your website. Okay, so Vercel support the deployment per Git branch too in GitHub, I mean. And then this is when you're building your front-end application where the backend needs minimal logic, minimal, or it can be handled with serverless function. And then this is you can use it when you making a static site single page or SPA, I mean, and then full stack project using modern frameworks. Yeah, something like that. And then uh why we should choose Vercel? Okay, the first one, serverless architecture. That means we don't need to manage or scale our servers because Vercel is handles it all behind the scene. Okay, so developer can focus on what the matter most. Okay, the second one is really important. Yes, this is the developer focus or developer experience. So Vercel designed to support a smooth developer workflow from local development to production. So I think this is really important because Vercel is good for development, development to production, I mean. And then the last one is effortless deployment. As I said before, you can deploy your site in second with just a few clicks. But how is a few clicks like? Okay, so this is how Vercel deploys your app. The first one, you just need to push your code in repository of GitHub or GitLab, and don't forget to connect your GitHub repo before that. And then Varsal will automatically build your and deploy your site, which is it will deploy to a global CDN as we talked it before. And voila, you can get instant review and the links, your website link. Yes, as simple as that, okay? So, yes. Honestly, as a someone interested in tech and web development, I think Varsal is really life changing for a developer. Okay, it's actually not only for deploying the Varsal is Varsal is has actually another service like the AI called V0, and then the Next.js that we said it before. Okay, that is really really popular in front end development. Yes. um that's all for me. Thank you for listening. Yeah, thank you.